Leetcode weekly context 472. Question number 1. Smallest missing multiple of k. So the approach of this problem will be, first, let's sort this array. After sort, say for example, it's gonna be 4, 7, 10, 15. Next, we do a loop. Go through all elements in this array. Third, for those who, if we start from with start with k, so during the loop, those that are less than current k, we just move on to next element. Then for first step, if it is greater than k, that means since this array has been already sorted, then that means that k is missing. Then we have to increase this k to 2k and 3k and so on.